Hello friends, in this lecture we shall discuss how do we calculate amount of ordinary annuity, the amount of cash flow, not the present value, not the future value of ordinary annuity, but the amount of cash flow, that is annuity. And this we shall do with the help of an example. So let us see this example. Mr. L has borrowed rupees 20 lakh to purchase a car. He plans to repay the amount in 4 years in monthly payments. If rate of interest is 10.5%, what will be the monthly installment? And this installment will be paid by him at end of the month. So here the payment shall be in equated monthly installments. Since it is equated amount payable at end of the month for a fixed period of 4 years, so it is an ordinary annuity. But here we have to calculate the amount of annuity, not the amount of present value or future value. So how do we go about this? First, let us note down what information is provided to us. So the present value is given 20 lakh. So the amount of loan raised now is the present value. Rate of interest is 10.5%, but it is annual interest and payment is to be made on a monthly basis. So this annual rate will be converted into monthly rate. So 10.5, that is 0.105 divided by 12. So this is the monthly interest rate. We have 4 years, but payment is to be made on a monthly basis. Hence, we will convert these years into months. So 4 years multiplied by 12, so we get 48 months. Based on this basic information, now we shall use the formula to calculate the amount. So this is the formula. A means the present value, R means the rate of interest, N means number of time intervals. Now since we have minus here before N, so this formula is converted like this. So instead of 1 plus R raised to power N minus N, so we write it 1 divided by 1 plus R raised to power N. Now we shall insert the values in this formula. So here we have the amount of present value, that is 20 lakh. This is rate of interest. Then this is 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus rate of interest. It is this raised to power 48. Now we shall simplify this equation. 20 lakh multiplied by this gives us 17,500. 1 plus rate of interest raised to power N 48, it gives us this value. Now we shall simplify it further. So 17,500. So 1 divided by this amount gives us this value. Now we shall simplify it further. 17,500 divided by 0.34175. So 1 minus this value gives us this value. And now we shall be able to make calculation of the monthly amount to be paid. So this is the monthly amount which is required to be paid to repay this loan of rupees 20 lakh at 10.5% interest rate in 4 years in equated monthly installments. So in the previous question, we were given the amount of annuity and we were to calculate the present value. In this question, we are given present value and we were to calculate the amount of annuity. Well friends, thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you must have been benefited by its contents. Thank you once again.